Hello guys, in this video we will be learning that how can we read or open our webcam using OpenCV. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So before we write any program in which we have to involve OpenCV, you have to perform a ritual of first importing your CV, OpenCV inside your program. To do that, I have to write import CV2. After that, I will create a capture object that is going to capture the contents that are coming through my webcam. So in order to do that, I will use a method video capture, and inside the video capture, I will be writing 0. So 0 specifies that I'm using my default camera. And since I'm using only one camera, so I will write 0. If you're using multiple cameras, you can specify their ID. For example, if you want to use some other camera, you can write 1, 2, 3. You can basically check on which camera is appearing, and you can then select that. I will pass on the contents that are coming through my webcam inside a variable called cap, short form for capture. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to basically specify the size of the GUI screen, the dimensions of the GUI screen. I'm going to specify the dimensions of the GUI screen that will show the contents that are coming through my webcam. So first of all, I'm going to specify my width. In line number 7, I'm specifying my width. In line number 7, I'm specifying my width. In line number 8, I'm specifying my height. And in line number 10, I'm specifying what is going to be the brightness of my window. So in order to change width, I'm going to using the ID 3. In order to change height, I will be using the ID 4. And in order to change my brightness, I will be using the ID 10. In the 7th line, I have specified my width to be 600. In the 8th line, I have specified my height to be 500. And in the 9th line, I have specified my brightness to be 100. That is, the brightness is going to be same as that of the video captured by my webcam. After once I have done this, I have to perform the same loop that was exactly similar to that which we have earlier performed while reading a video object. Make a loop that will be running until the images are coming through the webcam, or until and unless I break the loop. I will then write two variables, success and image. Success is going to be my boolean, that is true or false, and my image is going to be that particular frame that my read method is capturing from my video object, my webcam object. So suppose my videos are this, that is my fast moving images. What read method here is going to do is that it will capture the contents of that particular frame or that particular image and pass the information inside my img variable. After that, I'm going to show that image in front of my screen inside a GUI window or graphical user interface window, and the title of my GUI window is going to be output, and the contents are going to be this image. That is the content that it has read of that particular frame inside my webcam. Now I want each of my image to be stay on the screen for 1 millisecond. So I'm going to write cv2.wait key as 1, and I want to make sure that my GUI screen will close only when I press Q button on my keyboard. So in order to do that, I will write oxff is equal to ordq. This will make sure that once I press Q button, my loop will break and my GUI window will be closed. So this is how you can read or open your webcam, read the contents and open the webcam using OpenCV. You have to first import your CV. This is a step you have to perform in almost every program involving OpenCV. Then you have to first create a video capture object, and you have to specify the ID of the camera. Since I'm using only one camera on my since I have only one webcam on my system, I'll be specifying 0, which is the default camera. After that, I will specify the height, width and brightness of my GUI window. Specify a loop that will make sure that my images will continue to go on until and unless I press Q button on the keyboard. So this is everything you need to know about how to read and open images using webcam. So in the next video, we will be discussing about different kind of arithmetic operation, that is addition and subtraction, you can perform on two images using OpenCV. So we will meet in the next video. Until then, bye bye.